sometimes they call this President Rojas, but old people still used to call this Lotod Lotod, the old name. And this is the main street going to Roa City. It's a lively town and beautiful.
Dito barangay captain na siya.
Oh, barangay captain na lang. Oh. Oo. Barangay captain sa una. Di maayo mga manwa mo. Most probably way para kwarta. Amor giya siyang tawang pagbuto siya. Luksin niya nga milyonaryo na, hindi bla? Kasi hindi ro na tikag. We miss the municipio. The opportunity I turn off my camcorder and it's orange color now. Lupod-lupod na, no? Now we're leaving the town proper. We're on our way now to the next town, Pontevedra, no? To the next town, Pontevedra, Capiz. Dari ko nag-agi ako. Oo, pabalik. Pamayo no. Ati dito mage. Dire kuntal.
Ang dire pa Pontevedra.
Papunta. Hindi pa.
Ang dire sa Piak Mayon.
Oh. Ang buta kung di ko nagaging di putag din ulo ko. Basta nakapuli ko siya ililo. Hindi na ko ka dumdum.
Dami na habis sa pundalan. Iloilo, and this is a long trip, probably 4 hours. Amo nang tulay yung simbahan na to, dito ko na pa nakuha ng picture. Sino ne? Dikinya. Ang bay siya si Audi, admin ko lang. Binablos man ako ni Cristel Banya eh.
Albania?
Oo, ang classmate ko. Ang doktor din nila subong. Halin pa sa una. Panitan Public Market.
Mga kung tabalan niya, siket.
Amo na ang mayor de. Amang koton ko si Juan, si Christy.
Puro na sila tanan sa gradista.
Oh, babae?
Oo. Guwapa, belo na nasa. O belo.
Pakwa mo ko da siyang picture da simbahan nila ho. Galapaw din eh? Ay, agoy. Ay, tuod ka. Di mga pamalay na, lapawan eh.
Oo, lapaw yun. Itong doon ako nga, pagdiyo nga, grabe yung tubig, taas.
Grabe
Pero
ba?
dito sa Balasan, may...
Labo to?
Oo, labo to sa Magaysano, may bala.
Oo, grabe to, na balita na to sa Amerika.
Basta gila to sa may tulay sa Maya.
Tinang tulay, nagalapaw na? Uy, dito ho. Ay, grabe.
4 go straight to Roa City. On the left is going to Ibisan, Capiz. And I think we will take the left side to Ibisan. On the way to we're going to Ibisan. We passed by Ibisan on the way to Katiklan. Stuck up. Next time siling mo hindi na next time siling mo kay may itinerary kami. We are now entering the town of Ibisan, Capiz. This is the town proper. And we are passing the National Highway road to Iloilo City. And this is going to Roa City. If we go straight in here, ano ni dia? Iloilo man. Going to Calibon eh. So we will bypass the Roa City and we go straight to Calibon, Aklan. We have a sign there. If you go straight, you're going to Aklan. And when we took the left side, you're going to Iloilo. The right side is Ibisan proper. So this is a very strategic crossroad. Straight, going to Aklan. Left, going to Iloilo City. Right, going to town proper of Ibisan. So now we're on our way to Aklan, to Katiklan. Tawag siya nga Akasyani, no?
Mahogany.
Mahogany. Oh, no, lagko ang mahogany nila, no? Pila na katuig na siguro eh. Our home, sweet home, Sapian. We are entering the town of Sapian, Capiz. Okay, thank you. This is the highway boundary of Sapian, Capiz. Of Sapian, Capiz, the last town on the border of Aklan province, Tilibyugan. pag-abot.
Oh, this is really
I
nice.
love Barangay Bilao. Wow.
Oh, every barangay may ara sila nga.
See, representation, ha?
Oh.
This is another barangay, Bilao. Sapian RHU, Rural Health Unit. And this is the town plaza. And on the left side is the town parish church. Oh. And they are very active here. They really love their town. See, Tilibugan 2024, and this is the town hall, I think. Don Pilimon Olivera
Elementary school.
Agtatakay. Uy, Agtatakay Sur. Yeah, Agtatakay Dingli. That's where I buy my farm. May ari digali sa sapian man nagtatakay. Oo. Oh. Barangay Agsilab. Oh, they are very everyone here cooperated and to make their town fiesta very successful. Barangay Lonoy. So there is really a representation of every barangay. Just like in Balasan, they have the Caraguapa. There's a mansion here. I don't know whose house is that. Probably one of the richest family here. Thank you. Thank you, Sapian. Tapos na siguro pista nila, no?
Tapos tayo.
Daw maluya na eh.
Sabay na sa Balasan, sir eh.
Sabay?
22.
Oh. Galing na, hindi taka pamista di kay may sabay. Back to normal life. Next year again.